my name is Maxime. I'm a Frenchman, but I'm here in Australia for 5 weeks. And one of the things I never understood is why Paul Taylor, a Franco-Britain humorist, stopped What the Fuck French. So I'm stick to it. Welcome to What the Fuck Australia. Ah, Australia. Kangaroos, barbecue, beautiful blonde girl surfer. It's great, no? No, mate. Why? Because we are here for the TOEIC test. So we have 6 hours of English classes per day. When we go back to the host family, we speak English. We do our work in English. When we sleep, we speak English in our dream. And you know my fucking level of English speaking. What the fuck? What? Bug. So, you know my level of English speaking? It isn't very good. When I speak to someone, there is a discomfort like a pickpocket in a new discount. I think I really miss France and obviously French. Number 1, food. France is a country of gastronomy. Veal stew, coq au vin, cassoulet, baguette, cheese. Okay, it's cliché, but it's so good. In Australia, we eat only a dry sandwich for the lunch, but it's not a problem. We eat the same sandwich every day, but it's not a problem. The problem is that they have the worst specialty in the world.
The Vegemite.
The Vegemite, it's a salt dark brown spread with yeast. It's horrible. Aussie are crazy about it. Me too, but not for the same reason. In France, we eat bread with spread chocolate hazelnut, butter or jam. It's delicious, but the Vegemite, it's horrible. It's disgusting. It's inedible. I understand why Australians are so far away from the rest of the world. Whoa, I'm full like a centipede sock drawer. A little advice for you. If you want to eat a nice meal, you must get a loan from your bank. Now it's time for the number 2, animals. When we talk about Australia between French, we say Australia it's great, it's wonderful, kangaroos, koala, it's 2 millions, blah blah blah. Ha! You are stupid, a knife. Oh. Hey, how are you? Yeah, it's great. Australia is a country with the most dangerous animal of the world. Spiders, snakes, crocodiles, sharks, fishes, medusas, bats. The list is huge like all of them. A French cow is like bee's dick here. What the heck? I feel safe nowhere here. My host family picked up me at the bus station when it's night because they don't want that I walk alone in the dark. And after whole message, I read take care. And my teacher says that we can die because of many animals here. Oh my goodness! In your opinion, why 80% of people live near the sea? It's because the outback is the hell!
You ate an entire pot of Vegemite. You burn in hell. Ha ha ha. You live with your new friends. The blue-ringed octopus, the stonefish, the red-backed spider, and the scariest of all, the wombat.
What? The wombat? The wombat is adorable? Who wrote this script? Who? Oh shit, I think it's me. Number 3, the French language. Of course, we are here in Brisbane for the TOEIC test. So we are learning English and we must speak English all time. It's a rule. But it's very difficult. And with my French accent, how can I look serious? We often heard that the French accent is charmer and co. Is it charmer? Seriously? Hello, my name is Maxime. I'm happy to be here. So today, I complain about speaking constantly in English in a video where I speak in English. Wow! Inception! Although Australians use a lot of diminutives, they don't say Australia but Oz, they don't say Australian but Aussie, they don't say have a good day but g'day, they don't say thank you but ta, etc, etc. And we are called froggies. I really have a head to eat frog legs at every meal? No, I never eat this bloody meat. Oh, I did a nightmare. I say I miss France. But it's a joke. I love traveling and I'm very happy to be here. This trip, classes in university, it's great. After my nap, I could kick the ass of an emu and I do like a French politician. I return my jacket. As I have always said, Australia is an incredible country that we totally forgot where we come from. I can say today that it's one of the best trips of my life.
But why is it the best trip of your life, Maxime?
Oh, blasted video with a budget! I'm glad you fucking asked, fish sheet of paper. It's a beautiful trip for 3 reasons.
Number 1, the quality of life. We often heard that Aussie are very cool. It's not a cliché, and for a French mind like me, it's a shock. You know, in France, especially in Paris, everybody is annoyed. Everybody pull a face typically French. We could understand because of the French actuality, but for example, in Australia, the life is more expensive. Nevertheless, everybody here seems to me cooler, nicer. Why people are cool here? Maybe through the sitting. Brisbane is a beautiful city. Maybe through the weather. The sun is shining, it's summer every day, but not really today. So, the setting is cool, the weather is cool. People are cool, Australia is fucking cool. This video is cool. I'm a cool man. Okay, mate?
Hey, hello, how are you going? This video is not finished, so no worries. Crack open a tinny, get day, and let's go. So repeat after me. Brian is in the kitchen.
Brian is in the kitchen.
Number 2, English. Why I'm here in Shaftesbury College, in Brisbane, in Queensland, in Australia, in Oceania, on Earth, in Solar System, in Universe. It's a long story. No, I'm here for one reason, not 3, just one, the TOEIC test. Because to have my engineering degree, it's necessary to have an English degree, the TOEIC. 100 questions of listening test and 100 questions of reading test. It isn't very simple. Off the blow drip, 5 weeks, it's intensive English. I remember when I passed a training exam for the first time, I had absolutely understood nothing. Now I'm happy because I'm close to the goal. But I arrived here in Australia and I understand that I'm not ready. Why? Because here we must speak only in English, and speaking is not a part of TOEIC test. But obviously, it's the best way to improve your English. So this is why it's brilliant to be here. As for me, I feel that my English is different, well I hope, otherwise I don't imagine the result of this video. Number 3, meetings. One of the big key points of this stay is that we live in an Australian family. We are the only French guy in this family, so interactions are only in English. And I don't know if I already told it to you, but Australians are very cool. I present you my family, Linda and Stephen Lewis. We learn to know each other in course of day, and they are adorable. Between us, nothing better than to speak English around a good French meal. That's first well, it's time to pass in the kitchen. So now I'm with Stefan and today we are cooking a French specialty, the tartiflette. Yes!
Ноги соедините, руки опустите. Ноги соедините, руки опустите. Ноги соедините.
Here and chop the onion. No, just one onion.
Just one onion?
Yeah, so keep it.
I'll do that one then. Ой, начали. Hey Google, set timer 20 minutes.
Okay, 20 minutes. Starting now.
How do you put it? You put it in the...
No.
Oh, I just have it separate.
Yeah, you eat
Can I
it
try
before.
this?
Yeah, of course.
Different.
Yeah. Let's go with the otter. Stefan, what do you think about the tartiflette?
Smells right, it's nice, and looks very good.
Yeah?
And Maxime's a very good cook.
Ah, thank you.
Now we'll have to eat it and see what it's
Yeah.
like. Cheers.
After 5 weeks of discoveries of English, of kangaroo style, it's now finished. This day was amazing. And last but not least, I have this fucking toy. I will thank ITII, Chefston University, my homestay family, all of my friends. It was a very, very great moment. Now it's time to return in France, and I won't lie to you, I don't want. Here, it's spring, the summer is coming, and in France, it's the winter, it's very cold. Obviously, I have to return in France. So see you soon, and
What the fuck, Australia? Hey, j'espère que la vidéo t'a plu. Si c'est le cas, n'hésite pas à mettre un petit pouce bleu, un petit commentaire et surtout à partager la vidéo, à en parler autour de toi. C'est une vidéo qui me tient vraiment à cœur. Je te remercie d'avance. Je voulais aussi remercier Antoine, Alexandre, Valentin et Fabien qui ont participé à ce projet. Merci à eux. Et merci à toi d'avoir regardé cette vidéo jusqu'au bout. On se donne rendez-vous très vite sur Theme Park Rider pour d'autres vidéos. A bientôt, salut!